Hi there, students. To commend, to praise, to congratulate, to say something is really good. It's a formal way of saying something is really good. You could have a commendation, a prize, yeah, or just that someone says this is really good. Commendable. Yeah, this was a most commendable act. It was a praiseworthy act. He commendably gave a large proportion of his income to the poor. So I commend you for that brilliant paragraph that you've written. Yeah, I would like to commend the following people for their helpful attitude. Yeah, the soldier received a commendation for bravery. Yeah, the judge commended his actions. Okay, so if you commend someone, you praise them formally. Yeah, now somebody could commend something to you, to recommend it, to suggest it, to say this is good. So I really do commend this book to you. Recommend. Yeah, this book has a lot of good qualities to commend it, and that's why I commend this book to you. Yeah, or even something commends itself to you. Yeah, it means it has good qualities that you approve of, that you think are good. Yeah, it's something that is likable for you. Okay, so to commend, to praise formally, to praise officially, I commend you for your good English. Yeah, I commend this grammar book to you. Let's see what grammar. Well, definitely Raymond Murphy, English grammar in use. I would certainly commend that book. And then you can also commend something to someone, as in to entrust it to someone. So I will commend the key to my house to you because I trust you. I entrust it to you. He was commended to carry out the project. They gave him the project. It was given to him. He was trusted with the project. Yeah. To entrust somebody or to give something into somebody's care. The orphans were commended into the custody of social services. Okay, so to commit to the care of someone. Yeah, to be commended into the care of a guardian. I commend this into your safekeeping. That's pretty formal and old-fashioned. So, to commend, to recommend. Yeah, I commend this to you. I commend that you use this book. And I commend you, I praise you for the great improvement that you've made. Yeah. It is very commendable the way you have worked so hard at this. Yeah, a soldier could be commended for his bravery. Yeah, to present, to recommend. I commend this builder to you. He does a good job at a good price. Okay, so to praise, to present, to entrust, to recommend. Yeah. So yes, you definitely deserve a commendation, a public commendation. It's not common that politicians receive commendations for their actions. Yeah. I can commend him to you as a good and trustworthy worker. Suggest, recommend. Yeah. Or yes. Religiously into the Lord's hands I commend my spirit. I entrust, I yield, I hand over, if you like, but it's pretty formal. Yeah. So I commend you on doing this. Well done. I commend you for what you've done, for your action. Yeah, what you did was highly commendable. I commend this company to you. Recommend. Don't watch the film. It has very little to commend it. Yeah, this type of food does not commend itself to me. Yeah, I don't really fancy it. It doesn't whet my appetite. Yeah, and to commend something into somebody's custody, into their safekeeping. So he commended the his valuable objects to the protection of the safe. Okay, so to commend. Okay, I commend you. This is formal already, 6.5. He was given a commendation, 6.5 in formality. You might just use it in an informal conversation. Better for a semi-formal conversation. I commend this company to you. I think we're probably, yeah, 6.5 again. To entrust something to someone. I commend all my worldly goods to you. This is probably an 8 in formality. I don't think I would use it. Okay? And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, commendo, to commend, to entrust, to commit, to recommend. From con, or com, mandare, to commit. Yeah, to entrust, from manus, hand, and dare, to put, so to put in hand. Yeah, this word clearly is related to the word command as well. Okay, so enough. To commend. Commendable. If you enjoyed the video and found it commendable, give it a rating. That would be a good commendation. Commend my channel to your friends, as it has many things to commend itself. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Commend, commendation, commendable, commendably.